Damn, this thing doesn't focus. Anyways. Oh, this thing can turn around. Roast this chicken. There it is. Hold on, I need to cut this. Did y'all see? It's a chicken, look. I didn't buy it. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. And I'm gonna cut it with these two things right here. This fork, this big ass fork, which is bigger than those forks, and this knife. Anyways, damn, I got the worst cameras ever. Hold on. It's talking. It's like, ugh. Look at this shit. Look at this. I'm gonna flip it around because it's not ready. But this is my dinner. I ain't kill it. Y'all know what I mean. Alright, let me show ya. Where's this shit go? Anyways, look. Yeah, I know I'm fat. Look, there it is. Look at it, chicken. Let me switch this shit back. It's not ready yet. It's still red as shit. Red as shit. I can't even focus this camera because it's cheap freaking camera. It doesn't have focus. There it is. Whatever. No, wait. Whatever. Y'all see? Yeah, hold on. Chicken. I'm gonna wait to eat that chicken because I'm hungry. I'm gonna turn into a skinny shrimp. Look. Who doesn't eat chicken? I eat chicken. I made it. It has no salt, no pepper, nothing. I just threw that shit in the oven. Threw that shit in the oven. Oh shit. Anyways, look, it's not ready yet. It's red as shit. I'll come back when it's ready, just to show y'all how it looks compared to right now. But look, compared to right now, look how it looks. Red as shit. Red in the thigh, red in the ribs, red in the bread, everything red. Red. If I would have fried this shit, it would have been ready already. Anyways, I'm out. Later.